wanna know his secret.
What up guys, welcome back to the Cody project. On today's video, we're gonna review a WeatherTech product I bought for my wife's car. And I know a bunch of you have heard of WeatherTech or might even use them, but this video is honestly for everybody that doesn't have any idea what it is, or maybe you've just been interested in it or you want to know more about it. So this video is for you. And of course, we got the WeatherTech FloorLiners. They're awesome, American made. They come in multiple different colors. They come in black, gray, tan. They're laser fit for whatever vehicle you have. And if they do not have your vehicle, they actually have universal ones that you can cut and trim to fit any vehicle. They're awesome, like way better than anything that you would get stock. They have lifetime warranties, the whole 9 yards. They're just a badass product. And they sell a lot more things other than floor liners, but it's a lot of floor and carpet protectors for cars, cup holders. They have all kinds of random stuff. But of course, we're gonna do an unboxing and check it out. And I'll install it in our car, show you what it looks like, all that good stuff, guys. So stick with me. Alright guys, so it's time to unbox. And of course, looks like the UPS guys already opened it up for me. Maybe not, but check it out. So you can get, oh damn. That is one of the back rows. You can actually get individuals. You can get the front row, the back row, the third row, the trunk. They have them all for your car, and they're perfect fit. There's one of the front. Nice. The other front. What else we got in here? All right, more. That must be the third. So, heck yeah. Anything else? Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got these little clips. That actually helps them get held on better. And a little book, show you how to install them, other products they have in the catalog, the whole 9 yards. So, let's lay it out, see what it looks like. Alright, this must be the driver's side. Passenger side. Next row, I think. Or that might be opposite. But heck yeah, guys. Pretty cool. The next thing we're gonna do is take the old ones out. And honestly, you don't need these anymore because the new ones are so much better. Not even gonna lie. Look at these things. Freaking carpet ones. Cotton ones. Cotton sucks, guys. Let's get that rubber. You gotta wrap it up, even in your car. Yep, see? So we'll find the one that matches it. I think it's this one. Let's check it out. See if I got it right. Okay, of course they're a lot harder. So, look at this. And they should hook on the old latches. I can move them around a little bit to hook on them hooks. You know what? I think it's the wrong side, guys. I think I got it backwards. That one should be on the other side. Alright guys, sorry I had to fast forward it. These are the old ones I took out, and these are the new ones. The front ones are real easy to install. They just slide right in, looking good. They actually go in the clips. They're all stock clip hookups. Then the back seat was pretty easy too. It's just a whole long one. It actually covers the whole back seat. If you have kids, man, this is freaking awesome. All waterproof, everything. And then it gets a little more crazy because I got the complete set. So it actually goes under the seat, all the way under, and does your whole third row as well. So I had to put the camera down to do that. But it does it on both sides. The only thing I didn't get was a trunk. I could have got it, but that was a little extra money, and I didn't even realize that I needed it. I don't think I need it. But pretty awesome, guys. What do you think? I mean, look at that. Look at that coverage. It even goes right along where the seat locks off. Pretty badass. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, it's pretty awesome product. I'm gonna give it, shoot, 9, 10 out of 10. Pretty badass. And when you go to the website, you literally type in your car, your year, make, model, whatever you want, and it's gonna pull it up. Everything's right there. It's really easy. And check it out. Look what else they got, guys. They got the new car care product stuff out too. What do you think? Should I try that stuff out as well? And here's the catalog. They got, of course, the floor liners like I got. There's all different kinds of stuff. There's the ones for the back. I mean, they have everything. They have stuff for kids. They have stuff. There's the universal fit ones. I mean, they got all different kinds of stuff. There's the ones for the cup holders if you spill coffee, drinks. Look at that. They even got the shields for the windows. I mean, they have all different kinds of stuff. Stuff for motorcycles, even bed covers. I mean, everything. Car covers. Oh, they even have stuff that you put over your headlights to protect them. Stuff to step in the back of your truck with. I mean, they got everything, guys. I mean, let me know if I should review some more WeatherTech products, stuff that you might not have seen before. But guys, like always, leave comments because they help my videos out. Subscribe, like, share, do what you do, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.